All right, it's been a while. I haven't posted a video in quite a long time, but finally working on the car. Finally got something, some content to put out there for you guys that do follow us on YouTube. All right, we're finally at the shop working on the car. January 2nd. So we got the car unloaded, got the shop all cleaned. I got it up on jack stand, so we're gonna start taking the body off. So I'm gonna put on time lapse here and get after it. Small break in the action. I just want to take this time, answer a few questions I've been getting kind of in the comment sections, kind of about our division, about our car. All right, so here's the car. It is a 2014 Victory Circle. It's got updates from 2017 or 18 on it. So yeah, it's definitely not, you know, everybody's running the Longhorns, Rocket, whatnot. Out here in California, Victory Circle is the way to go. So anyway, that's the car we're running. The motor in this division, it's not a super late model. It's also not really a crate division either. We run a open motor. It's a 406 limit, but we got to run a 4412 two-barrel carburetor, so it kind of cuts the power down a little bit. So you can run a 604 crate. You can run a 4-barrel, and you're about 100 pounds lighter. Kind of evens the playing field. This is the last year the crates are going to be allowed in our division, though. After that, it's going to be all open motors. Got it looking like a topless late model again from last year, but roof's definitely going to go back on it. But we're going to replace this decking. I think he's going to redo the cockpit and new body. We've got the kind of this stuff here. It's just carbon fiber wrap, but it is an absolute pain to take care of. But I mean, that's pretty much it. We got like 10 weeks or so until the season starts, so it's coming up quick. But I'm gonna put this back on time lapse, finish taking off the body. It's probably gonna take a little bit longer than just taking off that roof, but anyway, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today is just get the body off. I do live an hour away. I don't live anywhere near here, so I mean, I'm not, unlike some of the other YouTube channels, I'm not able to come out in the shop every day and work on it, so. Come on.
What's that?
Trying to get this bolt out. I got to reverse it. It's going forward. All right, assistance is needed. Assistance is needed.
Okay.
I'm in a glass case of emotion!
I just need to pick up on the front.
Just pick up on this?
Yeah. Oh, well broke.
What's that? Oh, that's okay. We'll be getting a new one anyways.
Where do you want to go with it?
Let's take it to the trailer. Damn. Fucking what a mess. made it a couple of seasons though. Yeah. Gosh, you're on that.
All right, that only took 20 minutes. That'll do it for today. I've kind of run into the car here. It's absolutely pouring. If you can, hit the like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And by hitting that like button, you really it helps more people see the video. So it would help us out a bunch. So we'll see you next time.